Hi students, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll begin with a new chapter, alcohols, phenols and ethers. So first we will see in detail about alcohols. Under alcohols, we are going to see introduction, classification of alcohol, nomenclature. At first we will discuss these topics and then we will go with the preparation of alcohol. Okay. So first is introduction about alcohol. So what do you mean by alcohol? Alcohols are the hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Okay, so hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons. So the hydrogen which is present in the hydrocarbons are replaced by means of OH group. Okay, so then you will get alcohol. And if the hydrogen atom which is present in arenes, if it is replaced by means of OH group, then it will give rise to phenol. So that is phenol. And if you take the hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons, that is this alcohol and phenol, so these are the hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. Okay, and these two are the hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons, and these two are very important class of organic compounds. Okay, so this is what introduction about alcohol. So now we'll go to the next topic, that is classification of alcohol. So classification. So already I told you what do you mean by alcohol. So what do you mean by alcohol? Hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbon. That is hydrogen which is present in the hydrocarbon will be replaced by means of OH. So that is alcohol. And the general formula for this alcohol is ROH. So what is this R? R is the alkyl group. Okay. And if you see the classification of alcohol, alcohol is classified into aliphatic alcohol, allylic alcohol, vinylic alcohol and benzylic alcohol. Okay. Aliphatic alcohol, allylic alcohol, vinylic alcohol and benzylic alcohol. And this aliphatic alcohol is further subdivided into monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric. And again, this monohydric is classified into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So this classification we will see in detail. Okay, so first we will go over aliphatic alcohols. So aliphatic alcohol. Okay, so what do you mean by aliphatic alcohol? The same. The compounds, that is the OH group which is attached to saturated aliphatic carbon chain or the OH group which is attached to saturated aliphatic carbon chain. So this is called as aliphatic alcohol. Okay, so the OH group which is attached to the saturated aliphatic carbon chain, so that is aliphatic alcohol. See, for example, CH3OH. So this OH is attached to aliphatic carbon. Okay, and you can write CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Okay, so this is propanol or propyl alcohol. So the OH group, it is attached to aliphatic open chain carbon. Okay, so this is what aliphatic alcohol. And what type of carbon atom will be there? What type of hybridization will be there in this carbon atom? It will be having sp3 COH bond. So this OH will attach to the sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, next, and depending upon the number of aliphatic alcohol, what I told you, it is further subdivided into monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric. So depending upon the number of OH group, so depending upon the number of hydroxyl group which is attached to the chain, it is classified into monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric. Okay, so on the basis of number of OH group only, this aliphatic alcohol is classified into monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric. Okay, so if you take monohydric, it is classified. So if you take monohydric, so what do you mean by monohydric? What do you mean by mono? Only one OH group will be attached to this aliphatic carbon chain. So only one OH group is attached to aliphatic carbon chain. So that is monohydric alcohol. And example for this monohydric alcohol is CH3, CH2, OH, or the same propanol which I gave you before, that also you can take it, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. So only one OH group is attached. So this is monohydric alcohol. Okay, and next classification is dihydric alcohol. So dihydric, so what do you mean by dihydric? Di means two OH group will be there. So two hydroxyl group is attached. Two hydroxyl group is attached to an aliphatic carbon chain. So that is dihydric alcohol. And example for this dihydric alcohol is CH2OH, CH2OH. So two hydroxyl group is attached to this. So this is dihydric, and these are also termed as glycol. These are also termed as glycol. And this is what example for that. Apart from this, you can take this example also, CH3, CHOH, here CH2OH. So here also you can see two OH group is attached. So this is dihydric alcohol. And your third classification is trihydric alcohol. So what do you mean by trihydric alcohol? Three OH group is attached to that, attached to the aliphatic carbon chain. So that is trihydric alcohol. And example for this trihydric alcohol is here three OH group is attached to the aliphatic carbon chain. And example for this is CH2OH, CHOH, again CH2OH. So the name of this one is glycerol, or it is propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Okay, so three OH group is attached. So this is trihydric alcohol. Okay, and if you take polyhydric alcohol, what do you mean by polyhydric alcohol? Polyhydric alcohol. So if you take polyhydric alcohol, it will be having more than 3 hydroxyl group which is attached to the aliphatic carbon chain. So more than 3 hydroxyl group will be there. So that is what polyhydric alcohol. So example for this polyhydric alcohol is, so you can write OH, so CH2, CH, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, CH, and CH2, OH. So here OH, 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 OH. So more than 3 hydroxyl groups are there. So this is polyhydric alcohol. And name of this one is one. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms are there. So you can write it as hexane. Hexane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexol. Okay, so this is what the name example for this polyhydric alcohol. And as I told you before, aliphatic alcohol, see, based on this number of hydroxyl group, it is classified into monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric, I told you. And one more classification of this monohydric alcohol, what is that? Primary, secondary and tertiary. This monohydric is classified into primary, secondary and tertiary. So what do you mean by, I'll give the example here itself. This monohydric, it is classified into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So what do you mean by primary alcohol? So if this OH group, if it is attached to primary carbon atom, if it is attached to primary carbon atom, that is primary alcohol. So what do you mean by primary carbon atom? That particular carbon atom will attach to either one other carbon atom or no carbon atom. So that is primary alcohol. And what do you mean by secondary alcohol? If the secondary alcohol, the OH group which is attached to secondary carbon atom, if it is attached to secondary carbon atom, that is secondary alcohol. So, and what do you mean by tertiary? The OH group which is attached to tertiary carbon atom, that is tertiary alcohol. What do you mean by secondary alcohol? That particular carbon atom will attach to two other carbon atom. See, I'll give you example for primary carbon atom or primary alcohol. Primary alcohol, if you take primary alcohol example, if you take, you can write CH3OH. This OH is attached to only one carbon atom, that is the primary carbon atom. So only one carbon atom is there, that is primary. If actually if there is only one carbon atom or that particular carbon atom, if it is not attached to any other carbon atom, so that is primary carbon atom. Or this also, like CH3 CH2 OH. So here this carbon is not attached to any other carbon atom. So this is also a primary carbon atom, and to this carbon atom OH is attached, so that is primary alcohol. And this OH is attached to this carbon atom, and this carbon atom is attached to one other carbon atom. So this is also example for primary alcohol.